Okay, so Google Darking is a very powerful technique to find interesting files on Google. So let's say you are doing a Google Darking and you come across some interesting files, and let's say zip files or CodeCanyon scripts that are left public and exposed to public, and you want to look at them later on, or you want to explore them when you have time, and you don't want to like lost track of them. So how do you keep like all of these on track? So I built a solution for this, and I created a Bookmark Buddy Chrome extension for that. It's actually open source and it's available on GitHub. Link will be provided as well. And once you download this, you can load it to your Chrome if you enable the developer mode, and then come here, load pack. You will load the extension from there. Once you enable it, then you can just right click and save to Bookmark Buddy. And well, what it will do is it will keep track of all the zip files or CodeCanyon scripts and any other files you want to keep track of. You want to like look them later on, or you want to export or import the JSON files. You want to look by even a domain. You can filter. You can see we have add filters. So what we can do is we can add the scripts, or we can add the whole domain. Sometimes you will come across a domain which is all the scripts on that domain are like the CodeCanyon scripts, and they are publicly exposed. You can see this is even from 2025, which is quite new compared to the other ones. But this shows that you can just like keep track of them, and when you have time you can explore them. You can maybe get the idea of the how the developer created this script or product, and maybe you are doing a product research. You can look for the competitor codes, etc. So it's quite interesting. I built this. It's an open source group, Bookmark Buddy, and you can add literally any link or any script path, and you can explore them later on. So as a freelancer, it's quite interesting for me as well. So let's say I got an idea of creating a script or a product. I just look at the JSON that I already have. I look at the ideas, how those guys implemented it, maybe just to do a copy pasting in some places, and look at how the overall idea and they have implemented. So it's quite interesting, and makes the job easy. So that is the update for today. Check out the GitHub link to this. It will be provided in the description below as well. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.